Every day is so wonderful.
High speed chase 405 is the freeway, slanging my banging my swinging my coupe. DeVille, scoop, DeVille, like that right back top of the hill. Wheel in my hand with a trunk full of contraband, swimming underwater like I'm Aquaman. I used to drink gin, now it's vodka, man.
Busting the cap in the whack when I'm rapping. You really need to trust in the fact that I'm back and I'm slapping the industry for ducking the cap when he rap with the passion. When I'm in this piece of crushing the fashion like I ain't never ate in this game.
No bugaboo, flipped out, cripped out, nigga, what it really do? Time brings change, so I changed my name. Trying to take flight while they clipping my wings. Groupie ass niggas say you tripping the game with nothing to gain.
Hey yo, put the grass over there in the safe, you know what I'm saying? Cause we spinning these Jacksons. The Washingtons go to wifey, you know how that go.
I'm saying that's what this is all about, right? Clothes, bank rolls, and hoes, you know what I'm saying? Yo, then what, man? What?
Visualizing the realism of life and actuality. Fuck who's the baddest, a person's status depends on salary. And my mentality is money orientated. I'm destined to live the dream for all my peeps who never made it. Cause yeah, we were beginners in the hood as 5%ers, but something must have got in us. Cause all of us turn to sinners. Now some resting in peace and some are sitting in San Quentin. Others such as myself are trying to carry on tradition, keeping this weapon vest and street ghetto essence inside us. Cause it provides with the proper insight.
Hard as stone. A lot of y'all niggas bought as hard as phone. Dead wrong. Trying to sneak Tamika the phone. Step back, nephew, I feel the heat of the chrome.